How to create an office supplies e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account, and if you already have an account you just go with login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. Then you click on next to proceed to type in your password. So just give it a few seconds to load, and after typing your password you click on login, and after logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. Then you click on continue. After that you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you most. So here I'm going to go with this answer, and you do the same again with this other question. Then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So mine is about office supplies. So let's see if we can find something related to that. So I think that is in the tools and parts, or in the home and living category. So I'm going to choose them both. And if you can't find your category in this list, you can just go with other and then click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, you give them the address. If not, you just skip that step and you give them a few seconds to build your store. And here you are. This is your dashboard, as you can see, and here you have the edit site button, which takes us to the editing phase, and the design now button, which takes us also to the editing phase. And here in your left you have 9 sections. I'm going to go through each one of them and explain it for you, and then I will go to the editing phase. So let's start with website, and it's where you can also access the editing phase, and you can also set up your domain name or change the domain name that you already have. Then we have the items section, where you can create new items or new products, and you can also categorize these products by creating new categories in the site's categories area. Then you have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. Then we have the orders section, where you can check your orders and see all of your orders, the fulfilled one, shipped one, the paid one, the cancelled one, and so on. Then you have the fulfillment section, where you can set your pickup settings and your shipping settings. Then you have the reports, where you have the reports of the site's traffic, the site's activity, sources, online sales, site's items, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you can just click on summary. And then we have the marketing section, where you can find everything or every tool that is related to growing your audience, from the email to the automated ads, mailing lists, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these tools, you can just click on summary. Then you have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, you have settings, where you have the general settings, if you want to set your company name or change the one that you already gave it, and if you want to set your address, your email, and your phone number. Then you have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account. And if you want to change the country and the currency, you can also do that. Then you have the sales taxes and the units, if you want to change the site's language or edit the units that you have. So that's it for these sections. let's go to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button, and we will need to give it a few seconds and be patient. It will take a little bit of time to load, and it's loading right now. And this setup guide, just ignore it, it will disappear. And if you want to go through it, you can just click on what's next. If not, just ignore it. As you say, it disappeared. And here we have the site styles, which is the first thing we choose to create our store. And here I'm going to choose the simple one, but before that let's wait for the store to load. And this is our store after it's loaded. As you can see, let's choose this style and let's click on hide styles. Then let's check if that style fits our store. Then click on apply site styles, and then you proceed to the site's design. If you want to change the styles again, you can do that. And you can also add an image to be your logo, change the colors, change the fonts. And I'm going to change the fonts from Enter to Comforta. Here it is, Comforta. And if you want to play with these sizes and adjustments, you can do that. And when you're done, you can just click on done. Then you proceed to changing the shapes of the buttons and images. Let's go from pale to rounded, and let's go from sharp to rounded also. Then click on done. And here, if you want to change the site's elements, you can do that, but you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid plan to do that. And when you're done, you click on done and close this one, dismiss, also dismiss. And here in this plus button, if you want to create new section, you can do that. And if you want to change the sections that you already have from your header main banner, if you want to hide this one, featured items, you want to delete it, replace it, and so on. So that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. I hope I achieved that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.